Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Well, put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste. Now, all the girls that call your name and look like you. You're the reason that I just can't concentrate. I try to fix my pride, but that's just broken. That I'm at an all-time low.
恭喜你，你被录用了。我告诉你们，生命分高低贵贱，我们公司只录用善良的灵魂。